Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, we're going to share you another great project called Ubuntu Token, and the website link is ubuntutokens.com. As you know, guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Ubuntu token is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not a financial advisor. Now let's check what is Ubuntu token. A charity token aimed at putting a smile on the faces of the needy and vulnerable people, building a society where vulnerable people, youth achieve their full potential goals and aspiration and actively contribute to national growth and development. Here you can find more about this token and here you can claim the airdrop. Ubuntu token airdrop September 2021. The airdrop was started on 7 September 2021 and it will end on 22 September 2021. Total 2 billion supply for this airdrop event and winning participant will receive 40,000 UBUT for completing all tasks and submitting their BSC wallet address correctly. Here the rules are as follows. You have to complete all these rules and last submit your BEP20 BSC address after completing all these rules. After you completed all, you have to fill this form. Simply you have to put your email here and then you have to put your Telegram handle, then Twitter handle, your Instagram handle, link to the retweeted post and last enter your BEP20 address below and then click submit. Let's check Ubuntu token pre-sale. Private pre-sale is of 10 billion token and start on September 17th and will end on 1st October 2021. Criteria for it is minimum buy per wallet is 0.2 BNB and maximum buy per wallet is 5 BNB. Private sale pre-sale price is $0.000022 UBUT. And community sales is for 15 billion token, start on 3rd October 2021 and will end on 17th October 2021. Criteria for it: minimum buy per wallet is 0.02 BNB, maximum buy is 5 BNB per wallet. Community presale is $0.000033 UBUT. Launch date 20th October 2021. About the Ubuntu token. UBUT is a charity token inspired by our passion and love for the charity and our desire to give back to the community. This token is inspired by the Ubuntu philosophy of love, compassion and kindness. I am here because we are here. UBUT has designed a mechanism to connect crypto investors with reliable and robust donation pathway while also raising the bar for the transparency and accountability in the Binance Smart Chain BSC charity token space. UBUT will build a very strong charitable strategy that will leverage the capabilities of blockchain technology to ensure all funding and donation have the widest reach globally across the different charitable causes. Here is the vision: to build a society where everyone can achieve their full potential and actively contribute to national growth and development, to improve the lives of millions of the people living with disabilities, to support cancer research and treatment, to support education of the less privileged. Core values: to drive inclusion and transparency in charity through the power of possibilities in crypto, ensuring no one is left behind and putting a smile on the faces of the needy and the vulnerable people in our community. Here you can see the partnerships of this token here. Ubuntu Charity is the biggest charity platform, charity of cancer treatment and charity for education and scholarship scheme and charity for disability and mental health support. Token details are as follows. Token name is Ubuntu token, ticker is UBUT, max supply is 100 billion, contract address is there and blockchain is Binance Smart Chain BSC. Let's see the BSC scan contract address of this token. Total supply is there and holders are 1, transfers are 1, contract address is here, and if we go down we can find the transactions here. The token funding allocation is there. Charity is 25 billion UBUT, liquidity pool is 20 billion UBUT, founding team is 15 billion UBUT and burn is 10 billion UBUT, presale is 25 billion UBUT, marketing and operation is 3 billion UBUT and airdrop is 2 billion UBUT. From here you can find their white paper. It is coming soon. As soon it will be uploaded, you will find the white paper here. Here you can find all the executive teams here that have been making this token. The token implementations are 1% tax to be distributed back to holders, 2% tax on each transaction added to liquidity pool for upcoming donations, 20% of charity donation used for buyback monthly charity support. Here is the roadmap of this token. If you want to read this all the roadmap, you can read this out here. This is of total 3 phases. Here you can join their social media account of Discord, Instagram and Telegram. And if you like this token, you will get all the links in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.